Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we are on the day number 15 of our class, and now we are going to be complete a topic of the request management. So, in the last few days, we saw that a user or we can create catalog item. We can create order guide. The difference or the thing is that in catalog item, two records get generated at the same point. One is REQ and one is RATM. In order guide, it's a bundle or collection of catalog item. But same thing, one REQ and multiple RITMs. Now, the last concept which is coming here is called the record producer. This is a concept which generate a one record in task-based table. If you see REQ and RITM tables are not extended from the task table. No. But in the record producer, it will generate one record and in the task based table, matlab tables which are getting extended from the task like incident, change. How the record producer will look like? Record producer is also a type of catalog item only. How it will look like? I can show you here. Generally, we say that with the help of the record producer, we can create an incident. And you can see here, create incident. Only two fields, two variables. But these two variables has a linking with the incident table in the background. Kaise? Let me show you here. Record producer and incident. This one. If you see the same fundamental, see it is going in the SC underscore cat table. But after that, the table name gets changed and underscore item underscore producer. Here we have to give the information that on which table you want to create it. Do you want to create an incident? You want to create a change? Do you want to create a problem? What record you want to create from the record producer? So we have to map that particular part. And then in the description and short description, you can put these things. Accessibility, under which section it should go. Portal settings, you can see. Generate record. You want to do some templatize wise or not. The only thing which is important in this record producer is that coding. That is important here. Now I'll show you this thing. These four. लेकिन यहाँ तो दो ही हैं, urgency and this. Now let me say email. What this thing called? मैंने email लिखा and it's showing me some results. What is this? Any idea what is this? And why this is appearing? What is this and why this is appearing? Tell me.
Probably they are predefined
This is the
notification.
One by
correct.
one. Probably this is the
Predefined notification from the ServiceNow itself.
अच्छा notification है ये. Okay. Or anybody else?
Same answer for me also, Aransh. This is the notification which will be sent to the user by ServiceNow.
अच्छा. Example दे दो. You are booking or buying something from Amazon website. ठीक है? Are you able to see the notification कि आपको क्या-क्या notification आएंगी? कि ऑर्डर पैक होगा तब एक ईमेल आएगा, या ऑर्डर डिस्पैच होगा तब एक ईमेल आएगा. नहीं ना?
No, Atul. No.
फिर then how you can say these are notifications? कहाँ लिखा notifications पूरे में? कौन लेगा आज का होमवर्क? राहुल कुलकर्णी, take today's homework. Okay. Find out that what this option is called and why it is appearing here. To give you a clue for the answer, you have to go and check the record producer. Okay. Now the thing is that when I put the urgency, now see this thing. I put urgency as a 1 and email not working, and click on the submit. My incident get created here. Okay. Copy and let me show you this incident now. And search for this incident. Okay. Let me open this incident and show you something. यार नंबर का किसने वाट लगा दी? ठीक है. Now did you notice urgency we put as a 1. It's showing as a 1. And what we put in this body, it's showing here in the short description. कहाँ define है ये चीजें? Where this thing has been defined. पहले तो इसको देखो किसने इसका काम खराब किया, नंबर फील्ड का. डेटा स्ट्रक्चर नहीं रे भाई. It should be string. Let's see. No, it's fine. ठीक है. ये और ये कहां से आया? And why this setup in this particular fields only? For that, go ahead and check the urgency. और यहां पर एक फील्ड आपको मिलेगा मैप टू फील्ड, which is saying कि the variable you are creating in which field you want to set up, you want to map it. And I say map with the urgency field of the incident table. और इसकी choices कहां से आएंगी? इसके टाइप से। कहां से पिकअप करो कि इंसिडेंट टेबल पर जो चॉइसेस हैं अर्जेंसी की वो पिकअप करके लेके आओ। टाइप स्पेसिफिकेशन वहां से पिक कर लो, दैट्स फाइन। नहीं बनानी, नो, डोंट नीड टू क्रिएट अ न्यू वन। This is what the benefit of the record producer. You can use the tables to map the variables and use that values in your record producer. Okay, now this is the one thing. What is the other part? Second option is this. Create an incident and description part, right? Please describe your issue. और ये कहां मैप हो रहा है? ये देखो कहां मैप किया इसको? एडिशनल कमेंट्स में। इसको एडिशनल कमेंट्स में मैप किया। बट नाउ यू व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि अगर एडिशनल कमेंट्स में मैप किया है, इफ वी आर मैपिंग इट हियर, यहां पर, then how it is appearing in these two places as well. Rahul put the second question.
Yeah.
How it is appearing in the short description part as well. How this possible? This is the fundamental of record producer. That's all. और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. You can create one or two record producers on the change table, on the request table. If you want to see for the change table, go here and request something and search here for the change, standard changes. And then pick up any standard change. Follow the path, follow the instructions, and a change will be get created. ये सारा टेम्पलेट से ही सारे वेरिएबल्स ही हैं ऑलमोस्ट. Read about this. But this is important to be understand that ये कहां से आया? Email not working. If I'm not defining it here, you can map one field at a one point to a one record. Sorry, one variable you can map to the one field map at a one point. तो ये कहीं तो कोड लिखा होगा इसका. Which need to be map these two fields. और हमने तो अर्जेंसी सेट की थी. Why impact and priority is coming? ये कहां डिफाइन है? Why category is coming as this? Why this is coming as this? Right? On the record producer, we have just one and two field. Then how category coming, channel coming, impact agency coming. From where these things are coming? Let me show you. ये यहां से आता है. This particular record producers mainly deal or use the scripts in the background. Might be too early for you to understand the script, but just to give a flavor, if you know the scripting a little bit or understand the script, read this. ये देखो ये रहा. Contact type self service set कर दो. Short description. Description. देखो, if you notice why my name is coming, caller name is coming. ये तो मैंने कहीं डिफाइन ही नहीं किया, वेरिएबल्स में लिखा ही नहीं. But in the background, I set this. Caller ID. And there's a utility, link record producer to the incident. In this, a lot of code has been mentioned or given by service now. Clear? Doubt, question, clarification. Yes or no तो बोलो. नहीं clear. I know expressions. ठीक है, good. So create one record producer. If you want, create the similar record producer. Create Josna underscore incident and copy paste the same code. Same code, copy paste the same code, no problem. And create two variables. Or you can create three variables: urgency, impact, priority, category. You can use anything. That's fine. And then you can get a record producer. Now, next topic which I'm going to be discuss. Okay, before that, with this, we are completing our request management and the service portal topic, which has been planned, has been covered and closed here. Which say that approximately 30 to 40% syllabus has been done now, because this is the one of the biggest topic is there. Another two big topics are there, CMDB and scripting, that will start in the next week. Okay. Now let's have a discussion here, little bit discussion. On the day 4 or day 5, I give you homework. I say, guys, everybody need to create 10 users minimum. Remember, 10 groups, everybody need to be create. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Everybody need to be log in and create 10
Yes.
users, 10 groups or 20 groups,
Yes.
20 users need to be created. Very monotonous task. Go to user table, click on the new, fill the user ID, first name, last name, get the password and all things. Right? Might be first 2, 3, 4 users you like to do it because something new you are doing. But after that, it is a monotonous. Now, if I say, guys, you have to be create 100 users in 20 minutes. What Josna will say? पागल हो गया तुल तो. How this
How will
possible?
we do that?
How it can be possible in the 15 minutes or 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Now,
Correct.
now think the practical experience. You are hiring manager, okay, and under you, 30 new graduates are joining today, and you need to be create their user account in ServiceNow. Now you're a hiring manager on the big post, lot of meetings. How you can do this thing, this work quickly and easily? There's a no way to do this particular part. Atul, I can't do the manual things. One of my manager in Accenture, he always says, Atul, we are the smartest one on this earth, in this world, in this universe. We are not here to do the donkey type of work. And I really like his words. He says there are definitely a way to automate some work. Might not be 100%, 20, 30, 40%, 50%, 70%. We can automate. So he says, if you get any work, try to do the manual first. Once or twice or thrice you do manual. After that, you have to find out that can I automate, which reduce my efforts. Because manual करोगे तो error के chances भी ज़्यादा रहेंगे. I told Josna create 30 or 40 users with the different names. Few names are Indians, that's still fine, but few names are from the different country people. Might be some is the Chinese name, some is the Japanese name. Which spelling is a little tough to be remembered, tough to be right. So she need to be copy paste very carefully. Now, to overcome this problem, ServiceNow provides a solution that is called import set, or we could say data load and transform web. Okay. Now, what you have to be do? I'm sure Rahul, you're taking the questions for today. Okay. Now,
Yes,
what you
Atul.
have to be do? You need to be create 20 users in ServiceNow. Once again, not the same users. Once again, new users. And I give a task to Josna, Prashant, and Saransh. Guys, can you create a user in ServiceNow? हाँ तो आपको फॉर्मेट है क्या एक्सेल फॉर्मेट? नहीं मेरे पास नहीं है, आप अपना बना लो. Now what you guys will do? I give this task to Josna. Okay. Josna is creating an Excel sheet. She is putting name, email, phone number. Okay. I give this task to Saransh Bhardwaj. Saransh says, his little experience holder first name, last name, email, mobile. I give the task to Prashant. Okay. Prashant has less experience, so he says F underscore name, L underscore name, emails, contact. Now tell me who is right and who is wrong in these three formats. Tell me whose format is right and whose format is wrong. बताइए whose format is right and whose format is wrong.
Prashant is right.
Right.
Prashant is right. Why? What's
Because
wrong with Saransh and Josna format?
his format is like F underscore name or small letters or.
अच्छा. अच्छा,
Remaining are
क्यों?
all like capital.
अच्छा, तो इसमें जो वैल्यू जाएंगी और इनमें जो वैल्यू जाएंगी दोनों में अलग अलग होंगी। सारांश के
Um,
फर्स्ट नेम में भी अगर मैं डालूंगा अतुल और प्रशांत के फर्स्ट नेम में एफ अंडरस्कोर नेम में डालूंगा अतुल, तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस?
I think all are same. All will give the same results.
Same information, all the given same information,
Yeah.
right? But the problem is that there is no consistency in all these three. Same नहीं है, values are getting same, but field name are different, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, now agree my point, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Atul.
Now if I say, guys, format is good, the structure is good, but it's not consistent, which can create a problem for you if you bring this data in the service now, क्योंकि you have to be load the data in service now. I give a simple example. When I moved to UK, I go to grocery shop. I said, give me the curd. क्योंकि हमारे इंडिया में दही को हम कर्ड बोलते हैं, right?
Yes.
Yogurt.
Right.
Yogurt.
But here, what they called? They called it as
Yogurt.
yogurt.
Yeah.
Right. अब दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? Practically कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है. There's no difference in practically both. Definitely making is something different, but the look and feel is almost same. For me, yogurt means that sweet flavored one which we got in India in the small boxes is called a yogurt. But here the yogurt is called curd. तो क्या हुआ? कंफ्यूज हो गया मैं. अरे मैंने तो कर्ड मांगा था, ये योगर्ट बात कर रहा है यार. It means if I have to bring this data in ServiceNow, if I use this format, ServiceNow may not able to recognize. क्यों? Why? Because in ServiceNow the fields has a different label. So what need to be do? If you want to bring any data in ServiceNow, I am talking about the foundation data. What you have to be do? Go here. Let's say I want to bring the user records. Okay. And right click on this, click on import. ठीक है. Once we complete this exercise, you will curse me. अतुल ये पहले क्यों नहीं बताया है आपने? You did a lot of homework to us and create Excel template. कुछ नहीं करना, create this Excel template and download. ठीक. Now my file has been downloaded. Open it. ठीक है. And go to sheet number, page number 1. And now you will feel happy. What I downloaded all the fields which are available in the user table. See. Now this is better or these three are better? Definitely this is better. Because if I say, okay, Josna, create a Excel template to get the user information. Might be Josna say email, phone number, name, business location, 5, 6, 7 fields, 8 fields, 10 fields she can capture. But ServiceNow has a lot of more fields. So copy this one, get this format first. So by seeing this, you can say that in the user table, there are 47 fields given by ServiceNow. Now what to do next? Let's populate our data. Active, wow, ये भी है इसमें तो. That's very nice. We'll populate small part. Okay, not everything we will populate. Let's say I'm coming here, email a.b@lng.com. Employee number, this. First name, A. Gender, male. Prefix, Mr. Last name, B. Middle name, C. Mobile number, this. You can define the password as well here if you want. Sorry, password need reset, yes or no. Okay, language, English. Up to you, as many fields you want to put, you can put it, no problem. Okay, user ID, ABC underscore LNG. See the password. If I want, I can create yours all 20 users in a few minutes. But I want to give you the exercise. So if you want, you can define the password here, otherwise leave it. Okay. Now create another user. Okay. True. b.c@lng.com. ठीक है, क्विकली करता थोड़ा सा. B female, C D this, leave it all this and put the user ID here. BCD underscore LNG. Okay. And now let's save this. Now what next? Go here, come back here and search the load data. What I'm going to do now, I am bringing my Excel sheet data in ServiceNow. To do this particular part, I need a staging table. What this mean? What this particular thing called? I need a import set table. See, when there was a COVID period was going on, and let's say someone come to your house, or let's say in my family, I was in Pune that time. During the COVID period, if I go to market to buy something, some grocery or some vegetables, as soon as I came back to home, what happened? My wife opened the door. She asked me to go to the balcony directly, keep the stuff there and go to the washroom, change your clothes, take bath, and then come and meet. Why? To avoid any unnecessary contact with me because I was coming from outside. But nowadays what happened? I go to market, I bring things and I just wash my hand and sit with my family. That was called the staging table. To avoid the data you're bringing in ServiceNow, to avoid any loss, to avoid any direct impact, first we bring the data in the staging table. ये जो table है ना, this is a temporary table. Because we're bringing the data first time, so we have to be create table only once. So if you're bringing the user data, you have to create one table. If you're bringing the group data, you have to create a one table. So I'll say create table. Table name is LNG underscore user data. क्योंकि user defined table है तो अपने आप ये use शुरू होगा. It says from where you want to bring the file. It's a file or data source. I say file. Sheet number 1, header number 1. What does this mean? or let delete this. Okay. What I'm saying, when the Excel sheet I'm uploading, please read it like this. Read this as a sheet 1 and first row as a header. ये data नहीं है, ये header है मेरा. Okay. First and choose file. ये रही मेरी file. Submit. What it is be happening now? ServiceNow is reading my Excel sheet and bringing that information in ServiceNow staging table. क्या हुआ? 2 record insert हो गए. Atul, how I would know that they are coming or not? Open import set. Open this import set table number. Go to the import set rows. Open it. ये fields है ना? ये रिकॉर्ड है जो भी हम लेके आ रहे हैं. Mail ABCLNG B this. Right? यही है एक्सेल में देख लो. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So now what happened now? I told you guys, please transfer the songs from your mobile phone to laptop. ये आपका है मोबाइल फोन. Let me show you something here. This is your mobile phone. And this is your laptop. ठीक है. अभी क्या सॉन्ग्स लेके जाना है यहां से वहां. This is your data cable. Right? ये क्या है मेरा स्टेजिंग टेबल. अभी डेटा यहां पर है. Now what I have to do? I have to be tell to my laptop. I have to tell to my laptop that kiss on which particular location this need to be saved. If you go here and let me open the user table. If you search for the user ID ABC, नहीं बने, because till now my data is in the staging table, not in the actual user table. I see, I check, okay, data is good. Now I have to be transfer this data to my actual table, end table. And to do this particular part, we need to be create a transform map. So what we are doing? Number 1, create Excel sheet. 2, put data in Excel. 3, bring Excel data in staging table. And 4, map staging table with actual table. हमारा ये काम यहां तक के काम हो गए. We done these 3 steps. Now we're going to do this 4th step. And to do this particular part, we have to create a transform map. Easy topic है, but need a concentration to do. एक भी स्टेप गलत हो गया ना सारा काम खराब हो जाएगा. Now create on the create transform map. Again, this need to be done only once. Create transfer map. What is the transfer map name? LNG user data. ठीक है, कहां से डेटा आ रहा है? This is my staging table, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
और कहां लेके जाना है मुझे? Which table I have to put this data? Tell me. In which table I should put this data?
sys_user.
sys_user. Very good. कौन था ये? सीमा. Very good. ठीक है, forget everything now. इसमें तो कुछ मत ध्यान रखो अभी. Just leave it. We will pick it up. Click on save. Now Josna still have a question in the mind. Atul, why you say that our formats are not good? क्यों? क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम अब आएगी. This now it's the problem. If I use name, email and phone number, what I have to do now? I have to be map. By up when you transfer the song, you tell to your system, right? In mobile phone, go to X folder, go to Y folder, copy these songs in my laptop, D drive, Atul, music, pop, /latest. Means I have to map folder to folder level as well. Only then it will get copied. So here we have to be map field to field. कि बॉस जो staging table के जो fields हैं, ये जो field है ये user table में कहाँ map होगा? Where it should be map. So to do this particular part, we have to be click on the new. असली कहानी तो अभी शुरू होगी. सोर्स टेबल में जो फील्ड है यूजर आईडी, उसको टारगेट टेबल की यूजर आईडी से मैप कर दो. Submit. Now Seema has a question. Atul, are you mad? We have 47 fields here. You want me to do this exercise 47 times? करना पड़ेगा. I have no solution. Click on the new. Name. And name कहाँ है? हाँ, ये रहा. First name, let me say. First name. Map to the first name. अभी तो it is a benefit because we are using the ServiceNow standard Excel format. In the both table fields name are same. Now if I take this format or this format or this format, I gone mad. कि भाई कौन से फील्ड को किससे मैप करना है. That is the another reason I recommend, and not I, ServiceNow recommend that we should use the standard Excel from ServiceNow itself. सीमा ने हाथ खड़े कर दिए. Seema said, Atul, sorry. You says we should not do the donkey work and we're doing the same thing here. This is just an example of the user table. In the CMDB table, we have in a single table, we have 100 plus fields. Atul, easy tarika do. We can't do this thing. Now, second option. Click on mapping assist. अब प्रॉब्लम इसमें भी वही है, देखो यहां से सिटी ड्रैग करो, यहां से सिटी ड्रैग करो, यहां से कंप्लीट ड्रैग करो, यहां से कंप्लीट ड्रैग करो. अतुल ये भी बड़ा काम खराब है, कितनी बार करना पड़ेगा? 47 टाइम्स। चलो कोई नहीं, सेव करते हैं कुछ और तरीका, सम अदर वे। बट this option you will use at last only. Do the practice with this first two option, and third option which says magic. Click on the auto map matching field. When I click on this, it will do the all mappings automatically. Why? Because it find all the fields which is coming in the staging table, and all the fields which is coming in the actual table are same name. If I click on this, and your work has been done. Want to see? See. All fields has been mapped properly. This is the another benefit of having the ServiceNow standard Excel format. Now Seema is smiling क्योंकि उसको पता है उसका काम आसान हो गया. Atul, why should not tell this thing in advance? इतना मगजमारी काहे को? Now mapping has been done that from this folder to this folder the data need to be transferred, but data is still not available in the user table. See, अब यहाँ पे ट्रेडर नहीं आया मेरा. What to do? Come back and click on the transform. It will pick up the latest import set table and your transform map which you just created, and click on the transform. Complete, successful. You want to see? Click on the transform history. 2 records inserted. 0 update, 0 ignored, 0 skip. You want to verify? Click here and enter. Done? Or you want to verify? Underscore LNG. यही 2 रिकॉर्ड्स थे हमारे, राइट? Yes or no?
Yes.
So how much time it will take for us? 20 minutes? है ना? Yes or no, guys?
No, it won't take that much time. It may take just 10 minutes around.
And if your Excel sheet is ready, it will take less than that, because we have to be tell that how to get the import set, how to get the transfer map. Now I'll give you one more thing. Let's say I want to add a new record in this table. ठीक है? EFG underscore, sorry, E underscore F @ lng.com. अब ध्यान से देखने ये वाला केस. E F G. ठीक है? And user ID is EFG underscore LNG. Save. ठीक. Come here. Sorry. Come here. Come here. Load data. अब मेरे पास ऑलरेडी टेबल बना हुआ है, राइट? वी ऑलरेडी हैव अ टेबल. क्या टेबल था हमारा? U underscore LNG. कहाँ गया? U underscore ये रहा. ठीक है? फाइल कहां से आ रही है? It is coming from this one. Submit. 3 inserts, 0 update. ठीक है? Now run transfer map, because we already have a transfer map ready. ये था हमारा ट्रांसफॉर्म मैप. दिस इज अवर 5 ट्रांसफॉर्म हिस्ट्री. अब बताओ ये एरर क्यों आ रही है? 3 टोटल, 1 इंसर्ट, 2 एरर. क्यों? Why? बताइए भाई लोगों. Why? First time there was no error. This time it's showing me error. 3 record, 1 insert, 2 errors. Already exists data. अच्छा, कहाँ एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है ध्रुव? You can speak, no problem. Open this and see the logs here. Error during insert sys user AB, error during insert sys user B and C. चलो देखते हैं, ओपन करो. कुछ नहीं मिलेगा यहां तो हमें. It is giving me error because what you are trying to do, you're trying to create a user with the same user ID. Is in your school, in your college, in your office, is 2 user have a same employee ID or the same roll number or the same registration number?
No, Atul.
Then how this possible in service now? Then how this possible in service now? But Atul, मान लो tomorrow these out of these 3 users, 2 are getting promoted or their mobile number gets changed. Let's say ऐसे कर देते हैं, ठीक है? And now try to be upload. ठीक है, हमने कुछ नहीं चेंज किया except mobile number. Let's do it again. ठीक, submit, run transform. Number 6, that's fine. Transform history. लो, अब तो तीनों में एरर आ गई. क्या कहते हो? फिर तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा. We can't update it. Means if a record has been created, it's created. You can't update it. You can't modify it. Atul, that's not a feasible solution. That's not a feasible thing. Correct? Rahul, take today's homework. Everybody need to create minimum 5 users, 5 group, 5 locations, and 5 new departments by using this new method of load data, import set, and transform map. In all these 5 cases, you have to create 5 different tables, import set tables, 5 different transform map. And then you have to bring that data in service now. Take the standard Excel format from ServiceNow table itself. Don't be over smart here कि नहीं मैं अपना बना लेता हूँ. Don't do this thing. ठीक है राहुल, क्लियर क्वेश्चंस?
Atul, can you repeat once the question?
So everybody need to be create everybody need to bring 5 users, 5 group, 5 department, 5 locations in service now via this transfer map method which we discussed today. You need to be create different import set tables and different transfer map. And tomorrow we will discuss how this error can be removed. कल टॉपिक खत्म हो जाएगा. That so easy and so small topic, but interesting. I will give you one more shortcut tomorrow, which help you not to do all these things as well. But that is only a shortcut. And we'll discuss it tomorrow. Any doubt, question, clarification before I close the recording for today? Anybody? All clear? Akshay, Josna, Saransh, Seema, Rahul, Shakif, Krupa, Prashant, Mimi, Himanshu. Good. Chalo, let's do one thing before we still have 2 minutes. Let me come back here. देखें किसने कितना कितना काम किया अभी पता चल जाएगा. Local update set, and I have my update sets called LNG batch 16. ठीक है, अभी देख लेते हैं ना. Everybody is so smart here. Akshay, Dakshil is off. Deepak, Dhruv, Himanshu, Josna, Dhruv. चलो इतना बार देखते हैं क्या स्टेटस है. Update set, remember we created update set. So this will tell me that what you have got, what you guys have done till now. Quick summary, I can get it from here. 84 updates. कौन है? अक्षय. अक्षय काम किया है. 84 updates है. SLA definitions, catalog item, instance research, service portal, application menu, module, table, dictionary, field. Good job. Minimum work you have done. Roles. Nice. Good. कौन है ये? दीपक. दीपक 49. काम नहीं कर रहे हो? SLA, यूजर एक्सपीरियंस, एप्लीकेशन मेन्यू ना. काम किया दोस्त. पोर्टल पे काम नहीं किया अभी तक. नो कैटलॉग आइटम्स हैव क्रिएटेड. ओके. ध्रुव, नाइस. 187. परफेक्ट. Okay, application travel request item. That's nice. Travel request table, expense table, dictionary. 187. Access control. ध्रुव कैटलॉग आइटम्स मिसिंग हैं. काम करो थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Himanshu, very good. 0 update. Nice. Nothing to be say. Good job. Josna, come on. Good job. No updates. Why?
Why it's?
See, it is not there.
I don't know. It's not showing.
0 update.
Uh,
Are you using the update set here? Did you make it as a current?
no. Like,
Then how did it capture the data? Now the problem is that if I go back here and I search for the default update set, sorry, it's LNG, no, wait. You have to be checked that what update set you're using here. It's a default or it's your name. See, maybe you are using default update set. That's wrong. Chatting management, Rahul, you're using the default update set. That's wrong. Your changes, your work should be captured in your update set, not in the default update set. That's a wrong practice. That is a very wrong practice.
Okay.
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 This is the global one. Let me see. See, 11:35.
Now how can we change? Okay.
अब गलती करे तो कुछ तो देखो. See, Yashaswini also using this one. Let me show you. Himanshu, what about you? Zero updates. We'll see. Let me group by updated. See, Darshil के changes हैं, Arafat changes, Himanshu 76. What are you guys doing here? Josna 141. See, yours are there.
Yeah. That's why I was surprised.
See, everybody's using almost the default one. Why? I told you very clearly, don't use default update set on the day one. It is like you are putting your changes in a box which is not getting transferred to your new house. Now you can imagine what will happen with the luggage or the stuff which you're putting in that box. Now, what is the solution, Josna? Practically, what you have to do? You have to be change the box, right?
Yeah.
Only then your things will be moved from one box to the other box. So open this one. Select. I'm not sure that how it can be doable now. Migrate. Do we have to merge or something? No. So you have to be open this default one by one and then like open this. And there should be something. Wait. Sorry. Compared to current. I will tell you that how to move your changes from this update set to another update set. Okay. But
Okay.
before you start today's work, please make sure you use your update set here, correct update set. Okay, that is important, very important. Otherwise, when we do the exercise of moving the changes from one instance to another instance, your changes will not move there because I'm not going to be take the default update sets. I'm just going to take update set which is map under my update sets. And this thing happened. It's not with you. See, you can see here. Sorry. You can see here, everybody's name is here. See, not only you. Darshil 309 changes. Himanshu 76. Himanshu, why 76 only?
After SLA, I'm not working.
You? Is training get over?
No. After
Then
class, I will tell you everything.
ठीक है. So you can see here that these changes are the global one. This is very bad practice as a developer. If you're not taking care that in which update set your changes are going. Okay, so please make sure before you log in, after you log in and before you start your work, make sure your update sets are correctly updated here. See, I did not change it now. For me, it is this only. Till the time I close that topic of moving the changes from one to another instance, I'll keep this as update set here always. You want to see my changes? I'll show you. See, 235 changes. So minimum 235 should be there for everybody. Minimum. If I just create one record, just give you one demo. So yours should be more than me, more than 235. You should be reached by 400, 500 now because you're doing a lot of work than me, creating 5 SLAs, creating 10 SLAs, creating this, creating that. It means you're not doing your homework in the background. So you can see what we have done till now. देखो आज का काम. Do your homework, guys. Otherwise, believe me, if you're giving leniency at your side कि आज नहीं कल करूंगा, you're losing the tracks now. That I can guarantee you. ठीक है? And for me, update set is the only area where I can go and check कि कौन कितना काम कर रहा है. A quick check I can do it here. ठीक है? So Rahul put one more question in today's homework. Try to find out how I can move one update set records in the another update set record. ढूंढो, troubleshoot करो थोड़ा सा इसको. You will find the answer, I'm sure. और ये tough नहीं है ज्यादा. It's not that much tough. ठीक है? And last question before I close the recording. Okay. Let me take attendance now.